how are you all? Hope so you all are doing fine. And as you all know, the second wave of corona has arrived, so I request all of you to follow all the protective measures like wearing a mask and don't go outside. Stay safe, stay home. Now let's start today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you what to do with those ugly and yellow old phone covers that are just lying in the corner of your room and you don't know what to do with them. So now let's grab them and give them a nice makeover. So to start painting on a silicone phone cover, first of all you will need to apply a coat of gesso, because if you will directly apply the acrylic paints on it, then the paints would easily peel off and the cover would be destroyed. Wait, and if you don't know what a gesso is, let me tell you. A gesso acts as a primer for acrylic paints and it helps them to stick better to the surface. Now the gesso is completely dried and it's time to paint on this cover. For painting this, I am taking a sponge dipped in acrylic paints and then just dabbing it all over the cover. Blending the colors properly is the key to perfection. So patiently blend the colors like dabbing both the colors on one another until they get mixed with each other and the line of separation is not visible between them. So all the shades are perfectly blended as you can see. Let's move on to the next step. Here I have roughly drawn the design on a sheet of paper just to see how it will come out, and now I'm going to trace it on the cover. Now grab a thin brush dipped in black acrylic paint and draw some curves to make the paint appear like it is dripping. Now fill it and it will look like this. Take some white paint to draw a bucket. Now add some stars to it. Now I'm using this spray varnish as a protective coat on the cover, and I will also put down the link in the description box below. Check it out if you want to buy this. And yeah, do remember when you use it, always wear a mask and do this in a ventilated area because this creates some smell. After applying varnish, our cover looks like this. And I personally like it a lot. Well, at least it's better than the yellow ones. Well, enough of that. Now let me just try this cover on my phone. And it really looks pretty nice, and I like the contrast between black and rainbow shades. So do tell me about your views in the comment section below whether you liked it or not. See you until my next video.